Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we have talked about the Geolocation API and how it can be used to retrieve the location information. And today, we are going to have a closer look at IPGeolocation. But before we dive into that, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you all for your support and feedback on my previous video. Your comments and likes really motivate me to keep creating content that you find valuable and informative. So without further ado, let's get started with today's topic on IP geolocation and learn how it works. So this method uses the user's IP address to determine their location. But the location information is usually less accurate than geolocation API. However, it's a useful fallback option for browsers that do not support the geolocation API. Let's have a look on a code example to use this. Here we can see a place where it is written as your API key. You just have to replace this with the API key that you can obtain from the IP geolocation service. In conclusion, getting users' location in JavaScript is a powerful tool for creating location-based applications. Both the geolocation API and IP geolocation are easy to use and provides a convenient way to access the user's location information. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it informative and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.